You just have an image or a design and want to create multiple Pinterest pins, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create 5 completely different Pinterest pins from a single design. Let's get started. Here's my digital product YouTube thumbnails bundle that I want to promote on Pinterest. To do that, go to Canva's search bar and type in Pinterest pins. Canva gives you tons of design templates in different styles and different niches. I'm gonna choose this one and customize it. Instead of designing from scratch every time, we're gonna repurpose this one design into 5 unique pins. That was the design I used for the product image. I'm just copying all the elements like background images and the fonts from the main design and pasting all of them in our pin design. Firstly, I'm altering the fonts by adjusting their color, size, and position. Now I'm changing the background color that matches with the image. While choosing colors for the pin, always use the same colors used in the image. That will give you the cohesive look to the pin design. Keep in mind that don't use more than 3 colors in your design. Okay, here we are adding our platform name where they can access our product. I'm just adding a lifter effect to this text to emphasize that this product has 70 templates, and also I'm adding the canvas logo to show that these are all editable Canva templates. So this is our first pin image. We are moving to the next one. I'm just duplicating this pin to create our second pin. I'm just removing the background element and making our entire white background into a colored one, and also changing the font's color so that it should go well with our new background color, and also the stickers colors too. I'm just changing the background color to a different shade in order to make it look like these designs belong to a certain brand color family. Okay, it's time to change the name bar below. We are simply resizing it this time. Now we are moving to our third pin design. Start by just duplicating this pin. I'm deleting the sticker and the text for now because we're gonna have a unique background for this pin. Just select the grouped images and enlarge them enough to fit in this page and adjust its transparency. Changing the background color to black and copying the text that we used for our previous pin. We are pasting them in our current page now. You can still make the background dim so as to have the brighter text. Place the canvas logo and the sticker element wherever you want. That's it. We'll move on to the fourth pin now. Now let's duplicate the third pin and rotate the background. This time we'll place an element behind the text to make it stand out more. Simply press R on your keyboard to insert a rectangle. We're going to place it behind our main text, and to differentiate the bundle text from the rest of the text, I'm adding a smaller rectangle. To make it even more interesting, I'm changing the transparency of the little rectangle. Now we are in the fifth pin. Here I'm changing the rectangle into a circle. Make sure you keep the elements at right place. I'm just ensuring that the circle is in the middle and at the center. We are changing the background color just like we did the previous time. Always keep tweaking things when it comes to colors because only by doing it so you can come up with the best outcome. Okay, this time we are placing our website name at the top. Keep changing the angle of the background element until you find it perfect. Okay, now we are almost at the end of our video. These are the 5 Pinterest pins we created out of a single design. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this tutorial is helpful to you. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Designer Genie for more tutorials. Bye.